Welcome back to Haiku and Rubrics. Last time we discussed how to create a rubric. Now we're going to talk about how to attach the rubric to an assignment in Haiku. First, let's get started with logging in. Once you're logged into Haiku, you must find the class in which you plan on implementing this with. So you go to My Classes, go to the drop-down, and select the class in which you plan on using it with. I'm going to select and add class support. Once you're in your class, you need to select the page or the category in where you plan to attach the rubric. Is it in a discussion board? Is it in assessments? You have to choose which one you're going to use. I'm going to choose to create a discussion board and attach a rubric to it. So I'm going to go to Add a Content Block, go over to Connect and Assess, and then click on one of the categories, and my category is going to be Discussion. I will give it a title. And then in this box, I will put the directions in which the students need to follow. And then click on the following settings that apply to the assignment. When you're done, look for the icon at the bottom called Next and click on it. That will bring you to the final step, a window where you have to select all the settings for the assignment, whether it's an assignment, a discussion board, an assessment. It's always going to ask you for the date, and it's going to talk about grading. For the rubric to work, you must have the grades push to PowerSchool or send directly to PowerSchool. The box over here must be checked, and you have to have a point value, and it has to be higher than 0 and no greater than 100. I'm going to put 15. Once you select the point value, then you can go to Rubrics and the drop down with all your rubrics. I'm going to use a discussion board post one that I created. When that is done, you can go down to the bottom where you see the finished icon and click on it. Now you have attached a rubric to a specific category, a discussion board, an assignment, an assessment, whichever one you chose. To view it, you'll go to the light blue link where it says Discussion Stacking It Up Challenge. Students will click on that, and then they will be able to go up to the top where it says Stacking It Up in green, and the little More button here is live. When you click on it, it drops down and you can see the directions, the actual question, and the most important part down here, the rubric that the students can follow. So when they click on the light blue link here where it says Discussion Board Posts, in another window, the students will be able to actually see how you're grading their discussion board with all the categories and all the point values. And that is how you attach a rubric to a specific category such as an assignment, assessment, or a discussion board. Thanks for your time.